How to back up your Android phone before selling it. Backing up your data ensures that your photos, contacts, apps, messages, and settings are safely stored before you perform a factory reset or switch to a new phone. To get started, open the Settings app on your phone and scroll down to Google. Go to All Services and scroll down to the Backup option. Next, tap Backup. If Backup isn't already enabled, turn on Backup by Google One or Google Backup, depending on your Android version. Now tap Backup Now. Your phone will begin backing up important data, including your app data, contacts, call history, SMS messages, device settings, and more, to your Google account. To make sure your photos and videos are backed up, open the Google Photos app, tap your profile picture, select Photo Settings, then Backup, and confirm that backup is turned on. Wait until the backup is complete before moving on. Once everything has finished syncing, you can safely perform a factory reset from your phone's reset settings, knowing your data is securely backed up and ready to restore on another Android device. And that's it. That's how you can back up your Android phone before selling it